Just showing you my outfit of the day. I got a little stain. Y'all don't even mind that. I just put it on and got a stain already. But yeah, I'm still wearing it. I got my pink bell bottoms on with my sister's shirt. One of my sisters that passed, I got the shirt from her. Child, I got to get back in it. Ooh, start back working out, y'all. I've been eating crazy. My baby gone, so I've been stressing a little, but I'm getting back. I'm back. I ain't getting back. I'm back. So today, this is my outfit. My shirt from my sister. The pants is from, where did I get these from? Target? No, Ashley Stewart. A store in our city, Ashley Stewart. And I got a little tank on up under. I got my little cute necklace. My watch I wear every day, and my earrings and shoes. My cute little slides. TikTok shop purse. So yeah, this is the look. So today we're going to a couple of stores, get some groceries, get some paper plates, some tissue, and yeah, we finna be out here, y'all. All right, y'all, we are at safe. Finna run in here and get a few things. I got my clan with me. All right, guys, I got me some sandwich bags. I didn't find the snack bags, but I got sandwich bags, freezer bags, and quart. So I got 2 of those, so I want to put them together so they can come out pretty easy. So this is going in the sandwich one. And I got freezer. I just gotta get snack ones, and then it'll be full. Now I just gotta get the one for the saran wrap and the aluminum foil and the parchment paper. It won't go. It's all big, but I don't understand why this one won't go. It's going though. I'm gonna make it fit. Okay. So this is how that looks. I just got to get the snack pack, and then it'll be full. All right, guys, I am done putting the groceries up. So this is the groceries: the juice, fruit, veggies, eggs, some hash browns, tomatoes, the bacon, kielbasa, cheese, my freezer Oh, it looks so good, y'all. Look at it. Yes, it looks awesome. Okay. I got my honey. Feel my honey bear. All right, guys. Dinner is ready. Hold on just 1 second. Yeah, that's good. So dinner is ready, y'all. It looks so good, right? I am about to make my husband plate. And then that'll be it for today. I'm tired. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow when I do a little purging. So I'm up. Hey y'all, hey. I am here. Hi. If you are new, I'm Michelle from Michelle Home. I'm here picking up my husband from work. But y'all, I am starving. I stopped and got a couple of sandwiches, and I got him some broccoli soup. And girl, I didn't know they had chili cheese fries at. Look at that chili cheese fries. Like, oh my God, don't that look good, y'all? Don't that look good? And then you know my child, she don't like cheese, so I got the cheese on the side. But you look at all that good meat in there. Look at that. Oh, she gonna mess this up. And I got him a sandwich, a double chicken. This mine. A double chicken something.